Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you some of the secret codes on this device and also how to enter these secret codes. So here we go. Let's open phone application first, then open keypad and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *1234#, and this is the code which displays your version of your device, like the software version, this firmware version, these kinds of informations. The next code will be *O*, and this is the testing menu. So here you can like test different features of your device, which you can like see here, like vibration, sensor, touch, speaker, different kinds of things. You can just like run the test. So just pretty useful code. Next code will be *2683662#, and this is the service mode, but like I don't know, I just touch things here and they don't react at all, so I don't think that's a quite useful code because it's like don't work much. The next code will be *O228#, and this is the battery status. So here it displays different informations about your battery. Could be something like that. The next code will be *0808#, and this is the USB settings. So here you can change your USB mode, other USB settings. Pretty useful, I guess. The next code will be *2663#, and this is the advanced firmware version menu, like the first one, but with more informations here. And the last code for today will be *06#, and this is the code which displays your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.